On September 2nd, 2022, the police received an urgent call reporting an attack in Onalaska, Wisconsin. The subject, 17-year-old Austin Bailey, spent the afternoon with a 15-year-old girl. She knew that Austin liked her, but she only saw him as a friend. However, Austin already had a plan with her. Through a friend, the girl discovered that Austin had been taking secret photos of her even when she was asleep, and was storing them in a folder called The Love of My Life. When she found out about this, she contacted him to ask him to leave her alone. Although Austin apologized, things got worse because that night, the boy broke into the girl's house through the window and attacked her with a knife. She managed to escape alive, and Austin jumped out the window. The officers arrived as quickly as possible.
318, why don't you go ahead and stage first responders and trust it.
1918, when we get stopped, I'm gonna grab Leslie right away.
10-40, you got a 40 or is it engaged?
No, I got an orange one.
I got the 40, I'll grab it. 318, myself at 19 around scene.
Out, dude. We were dealing with him, I don't know, 5-6 days ago. He mentioned by cop on a few calls we were dealing with. So if there's anybody that's gonna be checking the park, be ready for him to pop up behind a car or anything like that.
They said he's not in there, so let's make sure he's not around here. I got less lethal, so I want to make sure I got some lethal cover if he pops in.
Come check this way.
318, he also usually wears glasses, sometimes has a baseball cap on.
They arrived, they saw the girl with vital fluid all over her arm and face.
She's getting dizzy. She's got a couple cuts.
We're gonna need to protect these guys out here when they get here for her. It's just, I mean, we don't have a choice. We need to get her help, but we gotta protect these guys when they get here too. I don't know where the he is. You guys gotta be careful, we don't know where he is. So we're gonna stay here with you guys. She needs help. We couldn't wait. Okay. Doing that one. She's in the kitchen on a chair. Okay.
You know what window he came in?
Get this one right here.
So we don't know where he is, but we want to get you guys in here.
You guys gotta be careful, we don't know where he is yet. So we're hanging out. She's got a real bad one to the pinky. She's got one on the head and she's got one in the neck. She said the one in the neck's not bad. She's got pressure on all the other ones. We gotta cover these guys.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was just thinking too.
Rifle or handgun right now?
You might as well stick rifle. Well, I've got less lethal, and I don't. If we get him stood, that's fine. But
14 to 19 are going to be coming out with her shortly.
Okay, I'm still good out here. Just been spinning on circles. Well, wherever we go, we gotta go 2-man deep.
Yeah, I just think somebody's probably going to do it. Somebody probably have to go with them.
I believe that's his car. Let's move up.
Have we had any contact with Austin's mom?
Haven't made contact yet. We're working our way up to it.
I think he cut himself.
That's her blood.
Yeah, but why?
She had blood all over her head.
The police spent several minutes searching for Austin, but they were unable to find him.
318, just information for the other units who might be checking. He possibly might be going to an apartment on Street as well.
I think I'm okay for photographs. You want to run through the room with the...
They're sure that he went out the window?
Yeah, I checked the house already. I wonder if she was asleep. I mean, I really didn't get to interview her. So, here's going to be the deal with trying to find him, right? Last week when he was doing the running around town stuff, he said he saw me a bunch of times when I was looking for him.
He was just running.
He just knows to duck and dive and dodge. And I don't know where to go now since everybody else has been cruising around. I mean, he's still close? I would imagine he's probably still right around here somewhere.
Could have just hopped on the bike trail and gone either direction. How old is this kid?
17.
318, residence is clear. He's not here.
His phone's been shot for a week, didn't have any minutes. Unless they charged it in the last 3 or 4 days while I was off. I got his number. Right here. 10-4. He must have added minutes because it's ringing this time. Last week it wasn't.
I'm Officer Gordon. This is Deputy Leinfeld. We've spoken before. Yeah. So I don't know what's going on with Austin tonight. He went over to the house.
Yeah, that's the last I know.
So, well, he came in through her window tonight and her. So it's imperative that we find him.
Yeah.
Any idea where he might have gone? I mean, we're checking kind of the usual spots.
Yeah, you should find him. Put him in jail.
I mean, the problem with this park is like there's so many sheds that are unlocked. There's campers parked on the road, literally be hiding anywhere.
Is she gonna be okay?
None of them didn't appear life-threatening. I mean, I'll say that much. But I also didn't get a good look at it. It sounds like she was in the hand and possibly the head and the neck. So I don't know if something happened between him and her today. I know he's kind of been spiraling the last week or so. Yeah, no, if he comes home, I would advise probably not even letting him in. I don't know what frame of mind he's in right now.
We'll be keeping his ass out.
So lock the doors. You know, as soon as you see him, give us a call right away.
Yeah, we sure will.
Okay.
And he's all yours. Believe me, if he was here, you could take him.
Yep. Oh, absolutely.
I support what you guys do. Oh my God, I can't believe this happened.
I believe they located him through a call, which gave them a possible location where Austin might be.
I just don't want to I don't know what's going to mess up his track. Want to talk to him?
Hey, Austin, you okay, buddy? No? What's going on, man? Where you at? Why not? Yeah? She's gonna be okay.
319 has him on the phone, trying to figure out where he's at.
Where are you, buddy? You remember me? Dude, it's me from last week, all right? I know, it's me from last week, buddy. It's Officer Kingery. Okay, cool. Well, let's end this a good way then, huh? Yeah, this ain't the end of the world, man. She's gonna be okay. You're okay too yet. I couldn't hear you, sorry.
I just her.
She's gonna be okay, Austin. Okay, that's the important part right now. She'll be all right. We got her help, and she's okay.
Bro, I need her. What don't you get?
I know, man. I know.
I've been away for a long time, bro. I'm 17. I'm trying as an adult.
I know how you feel right now, but But Austin, you and I, what we don't want to do is make this any worse than it is. Okay? Right now, it's not the end of the world.
Nuclear with it.
Okay?
I say go nuclear with it. Because what the fuck now? What do I got to lose now? My whole life just got thrown away.
Where are you at, dude? Where can I find you instead of somebody else finding you? I would rather talk to you.
Someone else find me, if I'm being honest.
I know. I don't want that to happen, though. I would rather me and you talk and we get this hashed out, man. We can handle this, you and I.
Oh, if the cops show up, man, I'm willing.
Is there a place that you and I can meet where we can, have some distance and we can talk this out?
Is he requesting further information? He's making by cop statements. He says if he sees a cop, he's gonna die.
No.
So we don't have a confrontation?
Or anything, but I'm gonna hang up this call now because I have things I gotta take care of before I die.
Austin, please don't do this, buddy, okay?
It's too fucking late, man.
You gotta work with me here, man.
Really care, but
you gotta work with me here.
Why?
So that nothing bad happens, okay?
Dude, so nothing bad happens, even though I just someone.
She's gonna be okay, though. That's what I'm telling you, man. She's gonna be all right. I don't want this to go, this is as bad as it's got to get right now.
314 is listening to him on the phone. It sounds like he's probably walking.
No.
Please let me help you. He won't tell me where he is. He's definitely outdoors walking somewhere. He won't meet me anywhere. He's making threats of by cop again. He sounded pretty convincing. If you find him,
Yeah, I believe it.
it's going to happen. And normally in a situation we could just let him cool off. But
Yeah, but not like that. We can't even let him go home.
not with this. One of us should have that last lethal out.
Probably. I wonder if we should try calling him back. I think that'll just piss him off even more.
I don't know. It's a nightmare, the location. Absolute nightmare. Should I call him again?
I'll try.
319. Can you note I tried to call, no answer. He won't tell me where he is. Remember what he was like last week?
Yeah.
He's
Way above it.
He's way above it. He remembered me though, and
318 myself and 119 will head up.
hey man, it's me again. You all right?
If you're asking if I'm safe, yeah.
Okay.
No.
What can we do, man? How can we handle this?
14, we have him back on the phone. What did he say?
He said he's safe right now. What that means?
The boy agreed to talk to them near the school, but the police knew it could be a trap to mislead them. So some of their officers remained at the house in case Austin returned.
Hey, will you meet with me somewhere, Austin?
No.
You gotta get yourself turned in, buddy. Okay.
Either way.
Well,
Let me enjoy a little bit of freedom for another hour or so.
Will you meet?
I'll ever have.
Will you meet with me somewhere at least? Tell me where you are, and I'll come meet with you.
I don't trust people right now.
I understand that.
Police.
Yeah, I understand that. Me and you got history, right, bud? I mean,
Good history.
We do. You and I do. You and some of the other cops don't, but you and I do. I treated you like a man last week. Remember?
Don't fuck that guy.
Sure. But I treated you like a man last week, remember? I didn't throw you in my car and stuff you.
Really nice to me. Holy shit.
I know, dude. I just want to handle this, me and you.
We both know that's not how it's gonna happen.
It's gotta, man. It's the only way this ends a good way.
Dude, there is no good way.
There's the way that we have right now, and then there's a bad way. And what we have right now is not the end of the world.
Dude, I'm going to prison for a long time.
I told you, she's gonna be fine.
I will never be able to purchase firearms. I will never be able to get a good job. I just threw my life away. dude. I don't think you understand.
You pick the spot and I'll meet you there. Tell me where you're at and I'll find you.
Meet me at the high school.
At the high school?
Alaska High School.
Was that the same spot we were last time by the flagpole?
I would have them stay away for a minute. That's kind of a tricky thing to do, though.
I need people.
I need
It
people.
can't be just me and you.
They're gonna have to sit like a block or two away.
He's agreeing to meet with me up at the high school. But if we have 6 squad cars fly in there all at the same time before I get there, he's probably not going to do it. Probably the same place we met with him last week.
I copy. I'll head over there.
They're gonna ride in the same cars. It's like 2 squad. I'll park over by.
I'm out with the subject here at Quincy and staff. I don't know that it's him.
I don't know what this guy looks like.
He looks like
I know him.
a trailer park boy. That's the best way I can say it. Like a guy that works in a mechanic shop.
Nope, that's not him. Yep, I saw him. 318, that's not going to be him. If 108 and 512 want to stay in this area, just in case that ping comes back the same. Yeah, if you guys hang out here, just in case it pings back here. 318 location, I'm walking in from the library in the north.
I'm gonna try calling him. 319, we don't have eyes on him here. The spot he was at the high school last week. Tried calling him again, he didn't answer.
Before reaching the school, the police received a new call, this time saying that Austin was roaming the school with a knife in his hands.
We're getting a call now that he's at the Quincy Street Apartments. We're trying to get exact apartment in the building. I'm not sure who it is. We're getting a call about it, but they just hung up on us.
I can see him calling and saying he's up there.
He said outside the Quincy Street Apartments, now running, and the caller hung up.
I'm gonna stay.
I'll stay here.
When they arrived, the officers asked Austin to drop the knife, but the boy did not comply.
I'll go to Bluebird.
I might go with you.
Sorry, heading southwest. At some point. There's bystanders. It's going to be a group of younger juveniles.
318 on scene, I got less lethal.
Hey, look at me and keep talking, okay? Sound good. Drop the knife.
Austin, drop the knife, man. Just drop the knife, man. Drop the knife. Austin, drop the knife.
Yeah, I'll myself. Either way, I'm gonna... Stop.
Stop. Drop the knife, Austin.
Because we got a little f***ing audience, all these other people.
Drop the knife, Austin.
Austin, man, let's talk about it.
What should I talk about?
Austin, drop the knife.
Time do you say that?
Quite a lot.
Can you at least just sit and take a breath a little bit? No, I'm good. We'll back up. Just sit down for a second. Take a breath, okay? Just need to stop and think for a minute, okay? That's what I'm trying to do. But my mind just keeps trying to blank.
Richard, you ready if we need to move up?
It's not over. You're 17. Let's talk about it.
No, it's not.
Can you just drop the knife so we can talk, man?
You cover me, Richie, so I can talk to him? Okay. Hey, bud. Hey, buddy, it's me.
Yeah.
Okay? You okay?
What do you think?
I know things aren't good right now, but like we talking on the phone, dude, okay? We gotta stop it now. Like we said, it's not the end of the world right now. She's gonna be okay. She's fine. This has gotta be it though, Austin, okay?
314. Stage medical at the middle school.
Just put that thing down, okay? Please. Who's got less? One? Just one? We got 2 less lethals? That's... Travis, you wanna come over here? Or no? Got a shot?
I'm alright. I like my angle. Just watch out for the bounce.
Right up.
Then, to ensure that no one got hurt, the officers took action.
I'm gonna go off you.
Impact! Oh my.
Drop the knife! Drop it! Drop it!
It is dropped.
Keep your hands all the way up!
Your attack dogs being put to good use, I see. It's training. Holy fuck.
319. Less lethal deployed. Shot. First responders, please. To, I think we're at what? 510? We're 95.
You got anything else on you?
I got my keys, my wallet.
You got any other knives, any needles, anything that's gonna poke, stick, or stab me?
No, just the one.
Did somebody pick that up?
Yeah, that's right.
You got it? Alright.
Anything, eh?
Sit him on his butt.
Get this side.
That work? Thank you, sir. You bet. Thank you.
My phone. Jeez. That thing I got shot with.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate you guys' help. We were a little short tonight.
Phone baton. Stand up.
Oh, you pull my pants up or what?
Grab him in a minute.
Where's he got it?
It's in his leg.
Somewhere. Thigh?
Yeah, you got it. It's probably the majority of the hit looks like.
Oh, just my phone.
Maybe.
Like $50 for that thing anyway.
We got a car up here.
Oh, God. Oh, it's phone.
Got buddies up here from him.
Right over here. Alright, thanks guys. Boss.
Good work, man.
Alright, I'm gonna take a seat in here for a second.
Mark that. Holy that hurts. Cool.
You just popped my body cam off on it. Hit him right in the phone, huh? I don't know where it was. Scared him just enough.
So he took a less lethal in the left thigh. We've got him in the back of that squad car now. It looks like his phone absorbed the majority of it. But
Austin, are you hurt anywhere else? Are you hurt anywhere else? Okay, just your leg?
Yeah! Wow!
It was a 40 millimeter less lethal round. Looks like the phone took most of it, but he still has some pain in his thigh.
So he got shot, he didn't get stabbed.
Nope, shot with the less lethal.
He got shot with this. It hit him right. It hit him square in the phone though. So I think that took the brunt of it. Must have been in his pocket.
Let's get the cat. Same incident?
What's that?
Same incident.
Yeah, this is the guy. Austin, any drugs or alcohol tonight, just so I can tell these guys no? No? Okay. Just you can just stay sitting up for now.
I'm gonna go call mom, let her know that he's going to the hospital and in jail.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
At the hospital, Austin realized what he had done and just kept repeating that he still loves the girl.
You go down Alaska High?
I did.
Drop out or what? Okay.
I ain't even got shit going for him. Not some cute little white girl that can get away with everything. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it. Anyway, then yeah, I went up for what I did. Can get, if I'm lucky, probably 20 years.
I read Miranda. He wouldn't talk, but as I was talking to him, he would say shit. Be like, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I loved her. I'm going to prison for 20 years.
so she said that when she woke up, he was strangling her, but it didn't restrict her airway or anything like that. I was like, did it restrict your airway at all? She said, no, he's a pussy, so.
314 out of the jail. Concrete bench to the left. Take a seat, don't get up until the jailers come out. I know we searched you a couple times, Alex. You don't have anything else on you, do you? No, like little pocket knives, nothing hidden anywhere? No? Okay. I just don't want them to find it and have another charge. You've been up all night, Austin? Have you been up all night? Is that why you're tired? Okay. You normally stay up all night or no? No? Hey, Austin. Can I maybe try to stay awake just until they come out?
In the end, he was charged with attempted first-degree murder, armed robbery, and was fined $50,000. After 1 year, it was concluded that he was guilty, and he was sentenced to 16 years in prison, leaving us with the lesson to be very careful about who our sons and daughters associate with, because those people could be their downfall. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate if you subscribed and commented. See you in the next one. God bless you.